guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Psalms, chapter 33, in verse 12, where it says, "What joy for the nation whose God is the Lord, whose people he has chosen as his inheritance." So since today is 4th of July, to those of us who are here in the States, happy 4th of July to you, happy Independence Day. I wanted to do a spread for 4th of July, so I want to do a watercoloring of the American flag, and then I want to just do some calligraphy over here. I have the Tombow Fudo something or other pen here. I will put a link down below for this pen because this is an awesome pen if you want to learn how to do calligraphy. And I'm just starting. I've only been doing it for a few weeks now, and I watch scribblinggrace.com. I will put her link for her videos, but she has awesome tutorials on how to do calligraphy in your Bible as well as anywhere else. So I have my cheap dollar store watercolors here. I have a bigger brush, I have a smaller brush, a pencil, and my marker and some water and my date stamper. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and get started? Alright guys, so here's my final entry. I really love how this turned out. And I'm excited because I can see progress in my lettering. It's still coming along, and I know it'll take time, but I think this turned out really, really cute, really pretty, I mean. And I just love the watercolor. I love the watercolor because you can still see all the words in your Bible. So I think that's great. And yeah, I hope you all have a happy 4th of July if you're here in the States. Happy day to you if you're not. But I'm glad that you came to watch my process video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye!